In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Upwork profile to ensure it receives invitations in 2025. Many freelancers aim to create a striking first impression, and capturing interest often starts with a compelling Upwork profile. Let's walk through the essential steps to get your profile in top shape. Firstly, access your Upwork profile. Starting at your home page, locate your profile option. This is typically visible right after you log in. Consider your profile as your digital business card. It needs to stand out. Next, you'll want to update your title, which is one of the most visible parts of your profile for prospective clients. Look for an edit or pencil icon next to your current title and give it a click. Think of a title that succinctly defines your expertise and role. It should be clear, concise, and keyword rich, tapping into those services you offer. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are retained. Now, focus on your hourly rate. This too is a significant point for many clients surveying options. Locate the section that displays your current rate and click on Edit Rate. Choose a rate that not only reflects your skills and experience, but also aligns with market standards. Again, hit save when you've updated your rate. Your profile overview is another crucial piece of real estate. In this section, tell a compelling story about your skills and experiences. Be sure to highlight what makes you unique and valuable, how your specific skills can benefit potential clients. This is where you sell not just your skills, but your potential for solving clients' problems. When you're finished, hit save to lock in your narrative. Adding a portfolio is highly beneficial. To do this, click on the plus button to add a new portfolio item. As you do, think of highlighting a diverse range of projects that showcase different skills. Begin by giving your project a clear, engaging title that hints at both the scope and success of the work. Within the project section, clearly define your role. What exactly did you contribute to this project? Next, write a detailed project description. What was the project about? What challenges did you overcome? And most importantly, what were the results? Visuals can often speak louder than words, so upload samples of your work. This could be documents, images, or even code snippets, depending on what best showcases your abilities. If you have relevant videos, you can upload these as well. Once your portfolio piece looks complete, paste in any relevant links, then click on Upload Video if applicable. Follow up by clicking Next Preview to review your additions and ensure everything is presented well. That's it. With a few strategic adjustments, you can make your Upwork profile a magnet for invitations. Each component of your profile should work together to communicate who you are, what you do, and why clients need you.